Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing both iPhones, update iOS, connect to the same Wi-Fi, enable Bluetooth, and plug them into power. Once done, unlock your old phone and hold it next to the new device. The quick start screen appears automatically. Tap Continue on the old phone and wait for the animated pattern to appear on the new one. Then use the old phone's camera to scan that pattern. This initiates a secure device-to-device transfer handshake and displays the QR/verification screen you need next. Now focus on the verification QR code step. After scanning the animated pattern, the new iPhone will show a QR code when using certain account or enterprise transfers. This confirms identity and network. On the old iPhone, open its camera app or the quick start prompt and scan that QR code. Make sure you enter your Apple ID password when requested and accept any trust or encryption prompts. This allows keys and settings to move securely. You'll see a progress bar for apps and data moving between phones. Finish by letting the transfer complete fully. Keep both phones close and powered until the progress indicators finish and the new iPhone restarts. Once restarted, follow setup prompts to enable Face ID, sign into Apple ID, and confirm iMessage and FaceTime activation. If something goes wrong, first restart both devices, toggle Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and retry the QR scan. If still failing, restore from an iCloud backup instead. Remember to check that apps finish downloading and that any two-factor authentication prompts are completed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.